What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. So this is a little easy video. I won't record it, but I was like, I won't gonna put it on YouTube. But I was like, simple. People might not know. So I'm installing the Hurst shifter, and all it is easy. Gotta push your the boot down to get to show the bolts and shit. So you need a 16 to hold the knob itself, and a 19 to hold the bolt. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna turn them at the same time. Now all I gotta do is pull the boot up and then I'm done. Alright, so but thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody out. Remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.